Ako po si Paulo Daet, operator ng Subli printer dito sa LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po ng 7 days, total of meters is 43. Printer head, capping, head clean, paglinis ng capping at wiper after head clean, nozzle check, ink system ay tama lang, waste tank disposal every Tuesday. AVR, ito po yung used ink namin, tapos sa kabila po is yung unused ink. Ito naman po yung sub-roll namin. Ink monitoring ng cyan, magenta, yellow, at black. At yung sub-roll. Ito naman po yung daily output monitoring. At yung daily printer checklist.